Okay, we're now 5 miles out. Lift base, runway 20 at Cape Girardeau. Last I heard, winds were gusting 30. Always fun. This last leg has hammered me, literally hammered me. I've been tossed about, hit my head 3 times on the ceiling. Been tossed around like a rag doll in here. I need a break.
Cape Girardeau, when you have a chance, 5-6, your mic ready to copy clearance to St. Louis.
How long before you're ready to taxi, sir?
Oh, let's see, probably about a minute, well, probably about 3 minutes here.
And what runway would you like for departure, sir?
That's a good question. I'd have to talk to the boss man out. He's getting bags right now.
Okay, stand by. Citation 6-3, Mike, advise you to be captain.
Ready to go.
Citation 6-3, Mike, clear to St. Louis as filed. Climb and maintain 4,000. Expect 12,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be Memphis Center 133.65, squawk 1052.
Right, clear to Spirit of St. Louis as filed, 4,000, 12,000, 10 minutes after, 133.65 and 1052, 6 Mike.
Feedback, correct?
10 Foxtrot, 2 mile base.
Cherokee 10 Foxtrot, runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 10 Foxtrot. Can I get a wind check, please?
Yes, sir. The wind is 200 at 19er, gusting 28.
Thank you. Okay, because of the gusts, I'm only going to use 1 notch of flaps. We're going to come in a little faster. That was lovely. Okay. There we go.
Cherokee 10 Foxtrot, turn left at Alpha and taxi to the ramp this frequency.
Left Alpha to the ramp this frequency, Cherokee 10 Foxtrot.
And welcome to Cape.
Thank you. Check out that windsock over there. Look at that windsock. Well, as the tower said, welcome to Cape.